Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show how I film with the DJI Mini 4 Pro, how object tracking works in a real scene, and how you can use it to get a clean, cinematic look. You can see it on the screen. I pick an object, lock it in, and the drone keeps that target in the frame. First, let's talk about the image and color. I shot this in D-Log-M to keep as much detail as possible in the highlights and shadows. In post, I did a basic color grade using the official DJI LUT, converting the footage to Rec. 709. It's a fast, practical workflow. The image gets more contrast, the colors look cleaner, and then you can fine-tune it to your taste. Now about the flight and control. The key thing is, even with tracking on, it's not an autopilot that does everything for you. Tracking keeps the subject, but the smooth, cinematic movement is still on the pilot. Using the sticks, I can move left or right around the subject, fly closer or farther, and at the same time change altitude going up or down. When you combine sideways movement with altitude changes, you get a very cinematic result. It works best when there's something in the foreground, rocks, trees, a coastline, or buildings. That's when you get a parallax effect. The foreground moves faster, the background moves slower, and the shot feels more 3D and alive. It's one of the easiest ways to get a wow look without any crazy tricks. Just fly a clean path and don't jerk the sticks. Now, editing. To boost the cinematic vibe, you can use a letterbox, those black bars on the top and bottom. I like using it as an effect, not all the time. The bars can appear when a beautiful shot starts and then disappear when the scene changes or when I want a clean full frame again. It adds style and highlights the best moments, even if the flight is slow and calm. And one more big thing, sound. Even with great visuals, a video can feel empty without atmosphere. So in editing, I often add ambient sound. In this video, I added ocean waves, and in one part I added cicadas to bring that hot summer coastal feeling. Small sound details like that make the video feel real and pull the viewer into the scene. So the summary is DJI Mini 4 Pro plus tracking plus smooth stick control is a powerful combo. Tracking helps keep the subject in frame, and with sideways moves, altitude changes, and steady speed, you create depth and parallax. Then it's a simple color workflow with the DJI LUT, and the final touch is letterbox in the right moments and sound to complete the mood. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.